Hey guys, I'm Jason Tharp, creator of the new series, Peachy Keen. Drive-by booking. This is my main man, Logan.
Hi.
And we are going to draw for you today in what we like to call Father
Sunday.
What do we do this drawing together?
On Sundays.
I'm Father, he's Son. On Sundays, Father Sunday. We did that thing together. We thought of that.
Yes.
We thought of that together.
It was mainly me.
It was mainly him. He likes to take credit for all that stuff. But today, we are going to do what we like to do best, which is do a drawing together to maybe inspire some people out there to have some fun and draw some pictures and be creative.
Yeah.
That's one of the things that we really like to do. What we like to do is we like to inspire people to have some fun, be themselves, and maybe laugh a little at themselves.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we do that a lot, especially when we try to do these videos. He makes me laugh.
Yeah.
I make him laugh. And we mess things up a bunch, but we have a good time doing it, and we're going to do that today. We're going to hopefully not mess up the drawing of Keen. That's who we're going to do. And Keen in the book, as you know, is the goofball. He is sometimes not so serious, but at the same time, right, just like him. But a lot of times what he does is he inspires everybody else around him to maybe enjoy life a little, have some fun, don't be afraid to laugh at yourself, and eat a lot of food.
Yes.
Speaking of eating, if we're drawing this and you need to go get a sandwich.
Or a
taco.
Especially if it's Tuesday.
It could be Taco Tuesday, right? But if you need to go get that, pause the video. We're going to be right here waiting for you. See you all the way through the end to draw Keen. And don't worry if it doesn't look exactly like ours, because that's cool anyway. Yeah. It's just about being creative, being yourself, and having a good time.
Drop a creative bomb on the piece of paper.
That's right. So get your markers and your paper. We're going to have a good time.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're back. We're back. I'm excited to be back.
Yes.
Yes. You excited to be back?
Yes.
Father Sunday, Keen edition.
Yes.
So Keen is a little tricky to draw, and I'll tell you why. Because Keen is a dog, but the thing about Keen is Keen never just is a dog.
Yes,
he's always dressed up.
He can be a dino dog,
right?
A tiger dog, all kinds of dogs.
A pirate dog. He can be any kind of. He's like a cowboy dog. He dresses up in costumes. He loves to dress up in costume. But today we're going to draw Keen in his favorite costume, which is the dino one. And what you're going to do on this page, again, is we're going to keep your page horizontal, just like this, long ways. We're going to kind of keep it right in the middle because we're going to try to get his whole head on the page. And this one you may want to draw a little smaller. I'll give you a warning, Logan. Just a little smaller because he's got a lot of stuff about him. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start on this side of the page, your left side, right? And I want you to draw a line that kind of just has a little bit of a wiggle to it. Kind of goes down, wiggles out. Perfect. Just like so. And you're going to do it on the same line on this side. So it kind of comes down and wiggles around too. And what we're doing is the sides of his head. Right? Perfect. And then to connect them, you're just going to draw a line that connects the two lines together. Perfect, look. And then, as you can see, he has those two big dino eyes on top. Dino, whatever. Tomato.
Potato.
That's right. Let's call the whole thing off. And he's going to have, you don't know that song, you're way too young. But you're going to draw a circle, just like so. And one more, just like so. Look, I kind of ran out of paper. And then he has two nostrils that are just, you know, like a bird when you draw a bird flying when you're a kid, right?
Yeah.
Perfect.
I still am a kid.
Well, I know, but when you were little, that's what I mean. So then inside of each one of these, we have another circle, which is the eyeball part of that dino costume, right? And then one more circle inside of that, just like that. And there is like a little highlight on there. So if you color it in, you just kind of, you leave like a little bit of a line, which is cool. You don't have to.
Two different eyes.
And then to get the face in there, you're going to start at the very top up here, and you're just going to draw a little arch over. So now it like kind of looks like a funky frog before you put Keen's face into it, right? And you're going to draw a line that runs right along this other line, just like this. Perfect. And then right along the other line, just like this. Awesome. And then you're going to connect those two lines. Perfect. And then it's 3 teeth on top, which are just V's. Right? And 2 at the bottom, which are there.
Yes.
So now it's really funny because before you even put Keen into it, he has like this cool monster thing about him, which I think is always fun. And then there's 3 little bumps on the back for the spine part. Awesome. And so what we're going to do, just like we do when we start thinking about these things, you can draw like little nostril holes, little half circles. Is I want you to think about the middle, like if this guy was cut right down the middle, so that way you know the middle line of this character, so we know where to draw the eyes. So if you think about this line here, and Keen's eyes are a little bit further apart because he's got a big nose, like a dog nose. So what you're going to do is you're going to draw 1 circle over here, kind of keep it close to the edge, right? And you're going to do 1 more right on the other side of it. Perfect. And inside of that, there are 2 little ovals. And you can leave one side of it kind of like unfilled in, so it gives it a little bit of a highlight. Perfecto. And Keen has like a bigger nose. Like think of like a dog nose is like a bigger, almost square kind of nose. So you're going to do that by just drawing like an oval that's just a little bit more open and leave a little bit of a line there. Perfect, man. Looking good, Logan. Looking good.
Thank you.
And the smile, right? The smile is easy. We're just going to draw a line that just goes right down through there, just like that. And another line that goes right underneath it, just like that.
Oh boy.
Oh boy. And then we're going to have, like, if you see on this side, he's got just a couple little lines that are on this side, just like this, that kind of completes the muzzle part of it, right? And if you draw like a little half circle inside the mouth and color the rest in, it looks like his tongue is in there then, and all that good stuff like that. And he has a couple little lines underneath his eyes, and then 2 eyebrows on top of his head. So he's got 2 little lines underneath the eyes.
He looks like he
two
hasn't slept.
2 brows.
It looks like he hasn't slept in a while.
That's right. And he's got like these 3 little lines that just have like little hairs poking out right here in the corner. Just like so. And that, my friends, is how we draw Keen. And make sure that you sign your name to it so everybody knows who made this awesome creation. You can put some stars around it if you want, which could be kind of fun. But, you know, again, it's all about showing up, having some creativity, having a good time, drawing some things that are a little hard. You know, this is a little hard for me to make sure that I can draw the version with a marker that matches the book version, because a lot of times I spend a lot of times drawing the artwork on the computer. So it makes it a little easier for me to make sure that the line is exactly the way I want it to be. When you're drawing with markers, and as you guys know, you can't erase and start all over and stuff like that. But that is also what makes these really special and unique, is that Logan has done his version of Keen, and I have my version of Keen, and you have your version of Keen, which makes it, I think it's way cooler.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love to see when people use a little bit of creativity, come up with their own characters, and have some fun. Because it's what Logan and I like to do. That's what we spend our time doing, is having a good time together, being creative, making each other laugh, and just having a good time doing this stuff. Mm-hmm. That's what it's about.
Yeah.
Right? Good times. Fun is fun. Is that what you said? Fun is everything.
Fun is fun.
Fun is fun. So, guys, until we see you next time, be the weird
you want to see in the world.
See ya.
See ya.
Here we go. Let's get serious. Serious.
Serious. We are very serious people.
Right, we are very serious people. Okay, here we go.